Hey Simply Bakers, welcome back. I'm so happy you clicked on the video because today I'm sharing with you a new favorite recipe of mine, Chewy Oreo Bars. For this recipe, I'm using some of my favorite ingredients like condensed milk and of course Oreos. And as always you guys, it's foolproof and such a crowd pleaser. And before we begin, this video is sponsored by Purple Carrot, which is a meal delivery service with quick and easy 100% plant-based recipes. So, without any further ado, let's begin! In a large bowl, you're going to add 1 stick of softened butter. Next, you're going to add a 1/3 cup of white chocolate chips, and you're going to melt this by placing it in the microwave and warming it up for 15 seconds. Then you're going to mix and then warming it again for another 15 seconds until you get a consistency of this. The next ingredient you're going to add is condensed milk. Yes, you're going to have to add the whole can because this is actually what sweetens the bars completely. This is my favorite ingredient, you guys. I love condensed milk. I add it into a lot of my desserts if I can because it does have a certain taste and this recipe calls for that taste. So I think that's why this is my favorite recipe. Don't forget to add the eggs. You're going to add some salt. And then you're going to go ahead and mix it until it is well combined. So I try to keep my meals balanced, and this is why I love Purple Carrot, because it is all plant-based, delivered right to your front door. Now don't get me wrong, I do love grocery shopping. I can actually spend hours at the grocery store. But when you are traveling a lot or you're pressed for time or you just can't make a decision of what meal to make next, Purple Carrot does that for you. And like I said earlier, it is plant-based. I cannot stress how important that is for me, for a person who loves to eat desserts. So I do have a coupon code, guys, in the description box with a special link leading to Purple Carrot. So if you want to check that out, check it out in the description box. Okay, so let's get back to the recipe. After you're done mixing, you're going to add the all-purpose flour and you're going to mix this until it's well combined. And the final ingredient to add are the Oreos, my favorite ingredient, or my second favorite ingredient. You guys can actually put it in a little baggie and mash it before adding it into the mixture and not do it by hand like what I did. But because of the magic of YouTube, ta-da, it's all right there, and you're just going to continue mixing it until everything is well combined. Next, you're going to grab an 8x8-inch pan. You're going to line it with parchment paper and go ahead and add the batter into the pan. Using your spatula, you're going to even the batter out and then pop it in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So the edges of the bars are going to turn brown. That's when you'll know it's finished. You're going to take it out from the oven and you're going to allow it to cool completely for about 15 to 20 minutes. And you could see my dog in the back. He's so cute. You guys, this was so delicious. I love it. It was definitely chewy, and yes, this is on the sweet side. So if you do want to not make it so sweet, you can add a little bit less condensed milk. So guys, I need your help deciding what my next video will be. Should it be a fall-inspired dessert or an Oreo dessert? Let me know in the comments. Again, guys, thank you so much for watching. I know I have been gone, but if you follow me on my social media, you have seen where I have been, so you can check that out. It's all listed in the description box. I miss you guys, and I will see you next week. Bye, guys!